హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు సయ్యద్ టీవీ. నేను మీ సయ్యద్ని. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ అండ్ ప్రెస్ బెల్ బటన్.
Mechanism of photosynthesis. Plants can prepare their own food by the help of raw materials, light, water, chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide CO2. Those are called as the raw materials of photosynthesis. By those four raw materials, plants can prepare their own food, that is called as a glucose. How the plants can prepare their own food? In mechanism of photosynthesis we can able to see. The mechanism of photosynthesis contains two types of reaction. One is light reaction and second one is that dark reaction. First we will see light reaction. Light reaction is known as photochemical reaction. Why it is called as a photochemical reaction? Photo means light. So what happened? In the presence of light, photosynthesis will take place. That's why it is called as a photochemical reaction, or it's called as a Hill reaction. Why? Because the scientist Hill, he described this reaction. Or it is known as that light dependent reaction. So we can understand light reaction takes place in a light. That's why it is called as a photochemical reaction or light dependent reaction. It is depends on to the light. That's why it is called as a light reaction. The light reaction takes place in chloroplast. It contains a grana. In grana, light reaction will be takes place. In light reaction, photolysis. Photolysis will occur. Photo means light. And lysis means breaking. So here, due to the light, the water molecule spills in photolysis. So what happened? Water, H2O, it breaks hydrogen and hydroxyline. The water molecule spills as hydrogen atom and OH ions. OH ions is called as a hydroxyline. So here, in a leaf, number of chloroplasts will present. In each chloroplast, photolysis will be occurs. So means number of hydrogen and hydroxyline ions will be produced. The hydroxyline ions, OH ions, have the series reaction and it produce water and oxygen. So when we comes to the once a photosynthesis formula, 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O, it gives rise to the sunlight by chlorophyll C6H12O6 plus it will give that 6 water molecules plus it will give the oxygen. This oxygen it is produced by that hydroxyline ions, OH ions. It will be those are react and they give the water and oxygen, those end products of photosynthesis. And light reaction, in the end of the light reaction they produced ATP and NADPH. This ATP and NADPH is called as a assimilatory powers. Those are called as assimilatory powers. Most important question for 1 marks. What is the meaning of assimilatory powers? The assimilatory powers means the end products of light reaction ATP and NADPH is known as a assimilatory powers. So here in the end of the light reaction they are producing ATP and NADPH. Sir, where this NADPH is comes in a light reaction? The chloroplast contains ADP and NADP. Those are present in chloroplast. When light falls on chloroplast, when you are coming to that a light falls onto that chloroplast, light contains photons. It contains photon. Due to the photon the chloroplast will be activated. This ADP, so this photon is added to that. ADP means adenosine triphosphate. It can call as a adenosine diphosphate. So what happened? One photon is added, then it converts into the ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. So what happened? Di means 2. ADP converts only 2 phosphates, and what happened? Due to the photons that chloroplast ADP converts into the ATP. So those are adenosine triphosphate. And here in photolysis hydrogen ion will be produced. So what happened? NADP present in chloroplast, in a leaf it will present. So what happened? This hydrogen ion will be added to that and it will be converting to the NADPH. So what is the NADPH? Nicotinamide, adenosine dinucleotide, hydrogen phosphate. So what happened? NADP. Where this NADP will present? NADP will present in chloroplast. Those are hydrogen ion which is produced in photolysis will be added to the NADP. Then it's converting to the NADPH. So in the end of the light reaction it produced ATP and NADPH. Those are known as a assimilatory powers. Most important question for 1 mark. Always they will ask in examination. So those are the end products of light reaction. Due to that light the plants can produce NADPH. Up to here light reaction will be completed. After immediately completed of light reaction, the Dock reaction will be takes place. The Dock reaction is known as light independent reaction. Why it is called as a light independent? There no need of light. It is no need of light. That's why it is called as a light independent reaction. The Dock reaction is known as a light independent reaction or biosynthetic. Biosynthetic reaction, or it can call as Kelvin cycle. Why? Because the scientist Kelvin, he described that a dark reaction. That's why it known as a Kelvin cycle. So we can understand to that dark reaction. It takes place in light, but it won't use the light. So dark reaction means it occurs in a daytime, but they won't utilize the light. So don't think that dark reaction will take place in a dark. Not. It won't use the light. It will occurs in a light only, but it won't use the light. That's why it is called as a dark reaction. And there is no gap between light reaction and dark reaction. After completion of immediately of light reaction, the dark reaction will be takes place. Note this point, most important. After completion of light reaction, immediately dark reaction will be takes place, and it occurs in light, but they won't use the light. That's why it is known as a dark reaction. Dark reaction will be takes place in stroma. Light reaction takes place in granum, and dark reaction takes place into the stroma. Stroma also presents in chloroplast. It's also present into the chloroplast. So those dark reaction will take place into the stroma. So what's happening in stroma? In stroma, it contains RUBP, ribulose 1,5-diphosphate. 1,5-diphosphate. RUBP reacts with that carbon dioxide. The plants are able to take carbon dioxide. We know about that plants can take to the carbon dioxide. So what's happened? Those are that carbon dioxide reacts with the RUBP and produced glucose. Sir, how it will be occurs? 6 carbon atoms reacts with that 6 atoms of RUBP, ribulose 1,5-diphosphate, and they are utilizing 18 ATPs, 18 ATP and 12 NADPH they are using. So what's happened? 6 carbon atoms reacts with that 6 RUBP, and they need to that 18 ATPs and 12 NADPH assimilatory powers. Those are needed to that, and they produce glucose. They are producing glucose C6H12O6, and they are releasing 6 RUBP. Those RUBP will present in chloroplast, and they are releasing 18 ADPs and 12 NADP. So those are ADP and NADP and RUBP. Those are present in chloroplast. And ATP and NADP assimilatory powers of light reaction. They are giving energy to this reaction. So what's happened? 6 carbon atoms reacts with that RUBP which is present in chloroplast, and the energy which is produced in light reaction ATP and NADP, those chemicals are reacted with the help of energy ATP and NADPH, and they are producing glucose, and they are producing 18 ADP and 12 NADP, those are present into the chloroplast. So in the end up to the dark reaction, they are producing glucose C6H12O6. By that, the mechanism of photosynthesis, they contains two reactions, and by those two reactions the plants can prepare their own food. If you like my video, please share and support my channel.
మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే షేర్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్.